I gave you every sunrise, every dream I had inside. I opened all my heart, but you never stayed to try.
I walked through silent nights, searching for your light, but love was standing near me while I was losing sight.
I painted all my skies with colors of your name, built my world around you, but you never felt the same.
I waited through the storm, holding memories tight. You were mine forever, but you faded from my life.
I chased 1,000 moments, trying to feel complete, but every road was empty without your heartbeat.
I heard your love calling, but I was running blind. Now I stand here broken, realizing what I left behind.
I was standing next to you,
You never saw it through,
love was right before your eyes,
but you never knew.
you never found my love, though it was always there, hidden in my heartbeat, floating in the air. Through every tear I cried, through every star above, I gave you all my soul, but you never found my love.
You never found my
Never thunder, feel the rhythm of love. Yakho, love you from above.
I kept your name alive inside my lonely prayers. Every wish I whispered was hoping you would care.
I carried all the memories like diamonds in the rain, loving you forever was dancing through the pain.
Now the echoes remind me of every word unsaid, every chance I wasted, every tear you shed.
If I could turn the clock back, I would hold you tight, tell you you're my sunrise, my forever light. Love was written in the stars,
But I let it drift too far.
now the silence speaks your name, and I'm the one to I finally understand.
Love never disappears. It waits inside the